Okay, this is the elevator here at the Macy store at the Palisades Center Mall, West Nyack, New York. It is a Millar from 1998. '88 phone with trash. That's disgusting. If anybody has access to New York State elevator records, then please tell me what this is. Sorry for the shakes, I'm out of breath. It's a GAL interlock. Now we're going to end the video on 3. Door close button works. Apart from the scraping shaft noises, this thing actually doesn't run too bad. At least not as bad as Delgado and Fletchia make it out to be. I mean, it is a little bit beat up and run down. Again, I'm pretty sure that this is a Millar. But if anybody has access to New York State elevator records, please let me know what this is in the comments below. Thank you. And there's your hand sanitizer, and that's it.